Mastering Excel, Creating Pivot Tables Simplified. Welcome to our guide on creating pivot tables in Excel, a vital tool for data analysis and visualization. Begin by selecting your data. Highlight the cells that contain the data you wish to analyze with a pivot table. Next, navigate to the Insert tab on the Excel ribbon. Here, you'll find the PivotTable button, which will open a new dialog box. In this dialog box, confirm your chosen data range. It should correspond to the cells you've previously highlighted. Once your data range is confirmed, select OK. This will take you to a new worksheet where you can create your pivot table. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll delve into customizing and navigating your newly created pivot table. Don't forget to subscribe.